My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the service. I've worked at IRS over a decade. I've been doing this since 1973. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've worked about, 10,000 IRS cases in my lifetime. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I'm always available for a free consultation and happy to give you advice on things. I really love my YouTube channel. I do love helping people and educating them. I like to kind of pull back the curtain and show them kind of inside the interior, the bowels of IRS, and try to answer their questions so they can make good decisions on what to do to the matters that they have. Dealing with IRS debt, it's a very unique thing. A lot of people try to hang a shingle and say they're experts, and there's a lot of garbage out there, more than you ever care to know. There's probably, 1% of all the people out there that profess to be these, know what they're doing. There's very far and few between experts in this matter. So today I want to talk to you about a really subject you need to know, and that's what happens if you can't pay your IRS debt or your IRS bill. So as a former revenue officer, I was a collector of these taxes. So whatever you're learning from me is really pretty much the Bible on what you need to do. First of all, don't be worried, don't be upset. Millions of people are just like you. People go to panic, they can't sleep, the wife's bugging them, the husband doesn't know what to do. Every tax year you don't know what to do, you can't pay your bill. So let me explain what to do. It's simple, it really is. Don't get worried, don't get freaked about all this stuff. There's a very simple solution. There's probably about, 30 million people just like you that IRS puts into what's called a hardship or currently uncollectible file. Well, IRS just does not know whether you can pay or not. I'd go knocking on doors. I had big bills, small bills, medium bills. I don't know whether the person could pay. I have no idea whether you can pay your debt. So you got to call, you got to tell IRS what that is. So here's how the system works. When you have an IRS debt, IRS sends a series of notices. You may get a letter, CP 2000, 501, 503, 504, 1058. IRS sends you a series of letters where each one gets a little nastier and more finalized. At some point in time, you're going to have to call IRS and give them a financial statement. If the case is in the local office with a revenue officer, you're going to have to give them a 433A. If it's in the 800 number, which most are, you're going to have to give them a 433F. That form needs to have some detail to it. You're going to have to let them know what your bank statements are like, income and expenses are. So you have to know what IRS is looking for on that financial statement. If not, don't make the call, because you're going to wind up with a really bad hair day, and IRS is going to take advantage of that. When IRS is looking at that financial statement, they're looking at your ability to pay the tax. First of all, you want to make sure all your tax returns are filed, and you want to make sure that at least the year that you're making that call, you have enough withholding or estimate tax payments being taken out to show IRS you're not rolling this revolving debt over and over. They want to see you're on compliance. So if it's a small debt and you have nothing, call yourself. You don't need to really worry about nothing. IRS probably can't do anything. But if the debt's over 30, 40,000 and you got a couple issues and you're not sure, you better hire a tax company, maybe ourselves, your accountant, whoever the hell. By the way, the stream's a little bad today. To handle the matter. What you have to understand if you can't pay your tax bill is that IRS has what's called a national standard of income and expenses that they allow you to spend. It's not a free-for-all where they allow one person to